Welcome back to Houston Life. Fall is almost here. The allergies are already here and flu season right around the corner. So throw in COVID, you've got a mix that's kind of difficult to sort out.
It sure is. Mel Camp went to the experts at One Medical to get answers on how to diagnose, treat, and prevent fall's biggest troublemakers.
Well, Derek and Courtney, if you are going to get your flu shots, you might want to come here because this is a waiting room you'd want to wait in if One Medical actually had waiting times, but they don't really, do they? Dr. Reka Avira, thanks so much for joining us on Houston Live.
Thanks for having me.
This is awesome. This space is so beautiful.
Yes.
I'm just kind of like, I want to move in.
Yeah, we're very lucky to be working in this space. We want to make sure our patients are comfortable when they're coming in to see us, really trying to remove any barriers to getting care. So we want to make sure that they're wanting to come in to see their doctor and get that dedicated time with their provider.
Yes, well, and especially this time of the year because it is flu season, isn't it? When does flu season start officially? Now?
Yeah, right about now. So September, October is when it starts. Typically in the U.S. we have a pretty long flu season. It goes through usually until about May, but we do ask patients to come in and get their flu shots as soon as possible. Right? We want to try and get ahead of the flu season. We want to try and get ahead of missing work or having to go see your doctor for those flu symptoms. For that reason, I'd say as soon as the vaccines are available in September, it's a good idea to go ahead and get them.
And it's always a new vaccine, isn't it, that comes out every year that changes with whatever strain of flu is coming through.
That's right. Yeah, so exactly. We try and match the flu vaccine to the virus that we think will be circulating for that season, right? And so a lot of times we do a great job and sometimes we need to kind of alter things for the next flu season.
Well, hopefully this flu season, it's good because I think everyone is over all viruses, basically.
Absolutely, yes.
On that, how do we know if we've got the flu or if we've got COVID?
Well, there's a lot of overlap between COVID-19 and the flu. So in terms of symptoms that we often experience, things like a fever or headaches or fatigue or congestion or runny nose or cough are very similar between COVID-19 and the flu. If you have any questions or you're not sure, the best approach is to reach out to your primary care provider and they can direct your care. So here at One Medical, we have made that easy with services like Treat Me Now, where a patient can message in, or even doing a video visit or a remote visit. They can do COVID testing or flu testing here in the office, and that'll help to determine how best to treat that patient.
Right, which is good because I think we all know that if we're feeling symptoms, even if it may be the flu, it's better to be safe than sorry because no one wants to get COVID. So let's walk us through. If you come into One Medical, it's a membership-based place. And then what's covered with that?
So the membership is $199 for the entire year. And what that covers is access to your provider, so messaging with your provider at all times. It also covers a great virtual service, which means that you get access to unlimited video visits, and that's 24/7. You also get access to the Treat Me Now messaging, so it's almost like a text message option where we triage your concerns. We have providers here on site that manage all aspects of primary care. So everything from mental health to sexual health to preventative care, chronic care management, really everything. And so we also do vaccines and labs on site. When you come in to see your provider, you do get a significant amount of time with your provider. So we have 30-minute appointments, and that's face-to-face time with your provider to address all your health care needs.
Wow, that's awesome. So you could schedule in for an appointment and get your flu shot at the same time, or you could just pop in and do the flu shot quickly.
Exactly. You can walk in for your flu vaccine. You can book an appointment. We have an easy-to-use app where patients can book their own appointments for the flu vaccine to ensure that there's no wait time. They can also come in to see their provider and get the flu vaccine during their visit.
You said no wait time. I just feel like it would be very easy to wait here and just hang out. I mean, I think I might. I just want to say, Doctor, thank you so much for having us here today. If you don't mind, I might just stick around.
That is perfectly fine.
Probably,
Make yourself at home.
I should get my flu shot too while I'm here.
Yes.
But yeah,
take care of that.
Such a beautiful place. Beautiful space here at One Medical, of course. This is in Upper Kirby, but you have 5 locations all over Houston. So yeah, definitely check them out. And I do know that there is a special for Houston Life viewers, so I'm sending it back to you, Derek and Courtney, to take it away with that.
That is right. We have a reminder. One Medical is offering Houston Life viewers that special discount. You can use promo code HULIFE50. That's HOU Life 50. The promo code is for 50% off their first year membership, regularly priced at $199 per membership. You can sign up at onemedical.com/Houston Life.